I believe the biggest game changer in manufacturing the next few years will be the result of the CHIPS Act, which was signed into law a couple of years ago. It was a commitment of the U.S. government of $52 billion, of which $40 billion was going to build new chip plants in the United States, AMD, Intel, Samsung, Micron. And from that, we'll see what they call chiplets, small, specialized microchips that will go on to do better things, faster things. Effectively, smaller chips, smaller transistors on a microchip will allow for greater productivity and fewer defects. The fewer the defects, the lower the cost. The lower the cost, the more they get used. So we believe we'll see an explosion of these chiplets will increase productivity and reliability quite a bit in the next few years.